Greg's filming upside down.
Yeah.
Is that how you do it? I didn't know that. Are we in it now?
Yeah.
All right, this makes good.
He said I didn't know that.
All right. All right, guys. Right here is the Blue-Collar Bruiser, also known as Deb. Not this guy. His name is Dylan. That's my brother. Dylan, he runs a lot of the shop logistics for like the mechanical repair and stuff on these trucks that we're going to be reviving. You see a lot of videos of me working on them, but you're also going to see some clips of him working on them. So this truck, we just got it in. It's definitely rougher than I expected, but that happens. It looks like the bumper right here, we're going to replace the bumper. We're going to replace the bumper cap. We're going to be painting the hood. The door's going to need some paint and body work. The roof, we're going to have to fill those holes where somebody had one of them, you know, marble red visors on it. Probably paint the bottom of both doors. This bed's got a little bit of a bow in it. Now, if you come back here, Dylan's already went ahead and put on the newer style 2018 wheels for us. They look real good on these trucks. He's also went ahead and done a new exhaust system for us because I think the muffler was rotted out. Come on back here. Another very typical thing, these bumpers, they always rot out. And this truck actually has a really clean frame. Dylan's already been underneath of it and serviced everything, and the frame is just immaculate compared to a lot of them that we see. So we're going to put a new bumper on it. We're going to fix this. Come on around to this side. Let's see. Gasoline alley. I wonder what that means. Got a little bit of rust bubble, and you probably can't see it right here, right now. Probably take care of that too. Depending on how we want to do this truck. If it's going to be just, you know, a working man's truck, we might not go too far with it. Again, we named it the Blue-Collar Bruiser for a reason. But we're gonna get it up in tip-top shape here. Come around here, I'll open this door. Typical. You've seen us do the video. Saggy headliner. That's Dexter right there. He's the guard dog, so nobody comes by and tries to steal our stuff. We don't have a door switch here. Dexter might have chewed that off, we're not sure. But that's pretty much the gist of this one, guys. It's just a bruiser, you know. Headlights, we're gonna do those. Just a little bit of everything. But I did want to take some time to introduce you to the man over there behind the window. He's gonna do a lot of the work too. We've done a lot of these already. Fresh and clean.
You can see somebody has done a interesting 65 series battery swap here.
Okay.
It's no longer side post. Had to custom make a hold down for that, but she's in there.
Looks like a nice size battery too.
Brand new.
Engine looks pretty clean. Which engine is this one? I know it's a 5.3, but which designation is it?
LM7.
The LM7. Okay, so most of you guys are probably familiar with that. Pretty much a bulletproof engine, if you ask me. Did we put new shocks on it? They already had new shocks.
New shocks, new inner and outer tie rods, upper control arms, all four brakes,
Done it right.
filters, the coolant coupler there, we had to do that.
Okay. There you have it. We'll have some more content coming on this one. This one's probably going to take us a good month or so to get it going right because it's going to spend some time in the body shop.